Hi folks, this is just a quick tutorial about how to join our class meeting. You'll notice on the left-hand column there is a link. It says Join Class Meeting, which you will click on. This is the Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, which you do not need to download anything for like you did the old Collaborate. You'll see the course room right here. Click on Course Room, and then go ahead and join Course Room. You'll also see there's a dial-in just in case you're having poor internet connection for any reason and need to call in. Otherwise, you'll just click Join Class Meeting and it will launch. I will be the only one on it right now since no one else is logged in. All right, and once we have this open, I will just show you a quick navigation. All right. Okay, eventually you will join. Here we go. Room is empty. You'll notice on the bottom, I'm going to slide the screen reader down. There is an option for, here's the audio. You want to make sure that is turned on. Now it's on. Now it's off. And you'll want to make sure your video is on. We'll share video. There we go. I'll share my video. And now I'm talking, you can see me in the left-hand corner. So your video will appear small and everyone else's video will be large. It will show in, I think the last three people who are speaking, it will show. This one, and then I would encourage you to just play around with this. The right-hand side is your Collaborate panel. So here's your chat. You can just chat right in there. And if you keep that open, you can see other people's chats as well. The attendees, that's just me. I will make you all moderators when you enter. And then your share content is on the right-hand panel here. This is a very simple way to share files. So you can see I can share your actually desktop by sharing application. I can share files, and you'll just add. It would link to your computer. It'll add your PowerPoint, a PDF, whatever you're wanting to share. You would just click on that and it would open. You'd hit share now and then everyone else would see it. These are your settings over here, so you can double check your speaker volume, your camera setup. Back to chat, and then if you want to close that, you can click on the X and close out. Other than that, I think that is your main little mini tutorial. See you all on Wednesday.